Weekly Market Update, July 16th to July 19th, 2024. Welcome to our comprehensive market update for the week of Tuesday, July 16th to Friday, July 19th, 2024. This week indicates a positive outlook for the markets, with significant movements in major indexes and currencies. Let's dive into the details. Dow Jones surges over 200 points. The Dow Jones Industrial Average saw an impressive increase, rising more than 200 points and touching a new record high above 40,000. This surge is a testament to the current market optimism and investor confidence. Weekly versus daily market updates. As you may have already noticed, we are currently emphasizing weekly market updates instead of daily ones. The reason for this shift is due to the increased volatility in daily trading timelines, particularly during an election year. Providing weekly updates allows for a more stable and comprehensive overview of the market trends. Currency market insights. In the currency markets, the New Zealand dollar is expected to have a strong bias to the downside. Conversely, the Japanese yen is anticipated to have a strong upwards bias. These movements are influenced by various economic factors and geopolitical events. Stock market predictions. The SPY, Dow, and gold are expected to continue with an upward bias, reflecting ongoing positive sentiment in these assets. On the other hand, the QQQ is predicted to have a downward bias. It is crucial to stay informed and adjust your trading strategies accordingly. Final thoughts. Remember to use this information for educational purposes only and always conduct your own research before making any trading decisions. The markets can be unpredictable, and it is essential to stay informed and cautious. Join our community. If you found this content helpful, we encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, where you can find more informative content like this. Be guided by your inspiration and transformed by your trading. Stay tuned for more updates and happy trading.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.